Okay, section 2.5, scatter plots. This is some models of real-world data. It's just showing some real examples of where we're finding the equation of linear lines. We can use these lines to predict things that are in the future if we make a correlation between the year and the price, or the speed and the calories burned, or things like that, altitude and temperature. So the example we're going to use today is the housing market. Now, the data is a little bit dated. This is from the year since 1990 all the way up to 2000. So if we have the median house prices, where we're going to draw our scatter plot with the years on the bottom and the price on the top. Okay? So in the year 1990, the median house price was $122.9 thousand. In the year 1992, it was $121.5 thousand. 1994, it was $130. 1996, $140. 1998, $152.5, and 2000, $169. That's the data we're going to use. This is the year, and this is the price. Now, on the bottom, this is the years since 1990. So, at 0, we're going to go up to 120,000. We're going to have a dot right there. That's 0. 2 years past 1990 would put us right here. And it went up to about 121. 4 years past, it was at about 130. 6 years past, it was about 140. 8 years past, 152, so it jumped up a little bit, so above 150. And 10 years past, it jumped up to 169. So there was quite a bit of a jump there. We're going to run into this, but that's okay. So this is our trend of the data. Housing prices increasing as the years go on. Now, if we wanted to make a prediction of an equation, a linear line that goes through these points, we would pick 2 points that look pretty good as far as our line. And these are the 2 points we're going to focus on. Okay, we're going to draw our line straight through there, and that's a very good indication of what the line is going to look like. So 4 years past, we had 130,000. 8 years past 1990, we had 152.5 thousand. So in order to write an equation of this line, we have to use our 4 steps. Y equals mx plus b. Now we don't have an equation of the line yet. We have to take these 2 points and plug them into our slope equation. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. When we do all that math, we end up getting 5.63 as our slope. That's going to be our m. The m that we're actually plugging in right there. So once we have our m and we have our point, I'm going to use the point xy right here. 130 equals 4, or that should be my slope, 5.63 times 4 plus b, and we're going to solve for b. When I end up doing all that math, my b is going to be 107.48. So my equation, y equals 5.63x plus 107.48. That's the equation of this line, the line that best fits our data. We can use this line to to predict what would happen, 20 years down the line. 20 years past 1990 would be in the year 2010. If it continued this pattern, what would the median house price be? So we can plug that 20 in here. So y equals 5.63 times 20 plus 107.48. That would give us a good indication based on our linear line through the data that's provided what the median price would be in 2010. Now, if we multiply 5.63 times 20 and add 107.48, we get to 220.08. That would be my median price in the year 2010. So that's what this stuff is used for.